Hi, everybody. Welcome to your lesson for Wednesday, April 22nd and Thursday, April 23rd. We're still in the Cold War. Today, you are working on an assignment that is about the arms race and the space race. You will see posted in Google Classroom along with this video is Google Slides. So we tried to streamline everything and put it in the Google Slides. There are a couple of video links that you're going to click on and watch, and there are some questions that you're going to answer here in Google Slides. So yes, in the areas that we tell you to answer the questions, go ahead and type right there. And then with this entire presentation, when you're finished, you are going to click Turn In just like you would with a Google document. Let me show you what we're doing today. As you click through the slides, you are going to see that there is an introduction video. There are actually 3 videos from Discovery Ed that are linked here. In order to get them to work for you, you do need to be logged into your Wake ID, okay? Obviously, you probably already are to be on here. If you aren't, make sure that you are. When you click on the links, it should automatically take you to the video, okay? This particular one is about the arms race and the atomic fallout, okay? The videos are a minute or 2, and they'll just help you with some of the things that we're going to be going through. If you cannot get it to work, if you go to your Rapid Identity, kind of like mine here, and you go and click on the Discovery Ed app, okay, and I'm trying to move the screen here so you can see that, okay? So if you click on the Discovery Ed app, it will automatically log you into Discovery Ed, and I have assigned some videos to each class. So you will see that they are assigned to you. Or in the search bar up here, you could type in the title of the videos, okay? But if you're logged into Wake ID, they should work pretty easily for you. You're gonna click on the links, watch, and then you are gonna follow the directions to the rest of the slides. The directions are here for you. They tell you on the following slides, we're going to talk about the arms race and the space race, and you're going to answer the questions on the right-hand side of each slide, okay? Now, the next slide is an example slide. Obviously, you see that in red. So there's a little bit of information here. There's a link you can click on to get some more information if you'd like, and then you are going to answer the questions on the right. Okay, so your typing will be in here. You're going to click on the text box and type in your answers. Okay, as you click through, you are going to see that there are many different pieces of information. You have some maps here that will help you, and we will ask you to go ahead and answer these questions in those white boxes. When you come up to a blue slide, this is going to be another video clip. Go ahead and click on it, watch it, and then continue on. You will continue to go through all of the slides just like that. At the very end, there are a couple more maps and questions, and then there is a wrap-up and 2 political cartoons. With the political cartoons, the only thing that you need to do is caption them. If you will just put whatever you would caption is going on or a title of what you would think they'd be named, that is perfectly fine. Don't overthink it. Don't get yourself too stressed. Take a look at what's going on in the slide and add some information, okay? At the end, it's just the sources that were used to create this. Once you finish it, go ahead and click Turn In, and that should be it for the day. Like always, if you have questions, go ahead and join the class during your class period on Google Meet, or email me questions during my office hours. And I think that should be it, and you'll see that it's pretty straightforward. This does have a little bit more work in it than we've done so far, so if it takes you a little bit longer, that's not a problem. Remember, I set the due dates, but if you turn it in a little bit later, that's okay, as long as at some point you are completing the work. All right? Thanks, guys. If you have questions, let me know.